Welcome to Hanson College. When you start at Hanson College, it's not just the academic pursuit. It's not just a career journey. You are going to start a Hanson journey with us.
At Hanson College, we're training the next generation of care leaders with dignity and excellence at the heart of everything we do.
When I walked into the simulation room, I figured out they have all the equipment used in facilities. They have the wheelchair, they have cane, they have beds, and we were trained on how to use every one of them.
Whatever I learned here, it helped me during my placement as well. I was already familiar with those equipment, and when I went to my placement, it was very good experience for me to just go and start.
Hanson PSW students have shown a good cultural intelligence. They come with a solid foundation both in theory and practical skills. And this hands-on experience at Villa Colombo deepens that learning and enriches the practical knowledge.
I thought returning to school was impossible until I found out about the Hanson College's payment flexibility. What's good about it is they don't offer upfront charges right away. They even offered me a scholarship, so it helped me a lot with my expenses and as well as motivated me to perform better as a student.
Hanson College offers you hybrid learning, and hybrid learning gives you the flexibility that you want. I can go to work during the day. At the weekends, I come to school for the practical. Hybrid learning is what I will employ you to do if you want to put your hands on.
Thanks to the skills I learned in the college, I find a job right away. It was a great and a smooth experience. Thank you, Hanson.
Our partnership with Hanson College has been mutually valuable, and we hope we can continue to strengthen our partnership in the future.
This is the best school you can ever go to learn.
They helped me a lot, so it was a very great experience.
Thank you, Hanson!
Join us, build a stronger future in healthcare with Hanson College.